we have given pair 2 to 31. To find how many integers are there, we have to first know what it means integers. Integer is one of the numbers in the list. Let me write this. From negative infinity, we have this number negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and all natural numbers. This is our integers. When we have word between, it means we have to include both ends of the range. And to find how many integers we have between 2 and 31, we can always list these all numbers and count, but we have very easy way. We will just use formula when we have integers m less than or equals n, then the number of integers we just count by using the formula. From the largest number, we have to subtract the smaller, and we have to always add 1. Why we add 1? Because both ends we have to include. So now our m is equal to, in this example, and n is 31. So number of integers between 2 and 31 will be equal 31 minus 2 plus 1. So this is equal 31 plus 1 is 32 minus 2 is 30. So this is my solution.